Think you've seen every woodworking tool out there? Think again. In this video, we're uncovering 10 incredible hidden woodworking tools on Amazon that many DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers have never heard of. From innovative precision accessories and portable workstations to specialty cutting and joinery tools, these hidden gems can improve accuracy, boost efficiency, and make your woodworking projects easier than ever. Whether you're building furniture, tackling home projects, or upgrading your workshop, these unique tools could become your next favorite addition. Number 1. Me. Measuring studs like it's a full-time tragedy. Why does framing always start with suffering? 1 inch off, and the wall starts judging you. The tape measure says yes. The board says absolutely not. Then the framing run becomes a chaos compilation. Cut to me, spiritually defeated on the job site. But wait, what if framing had a cheat code? Introducing my secret weapon, the Milescraft Frame Crafter. Looks simple, performs like a contractor's plot twist. Set it for perfect 16-inch on-center spacing. No more measuring every stud like a nervous intern. Just lay out plates, space studs, and fasten. Nails or screws your call, the tool doesn't care. It keeps the spacing clean, fast, and ridiculously accurate. Basically, framing without the emotional damage. And yes, it works for walls, decks, ceilings, also floors, rafters, and joists. Because why stop there? Need the first panel to land perfectly? Easy. Flip it to 15:1, 4-inch spacing, instantly. That means cleaner starts and fewer oops moments. No math, no guessing, no arguing with the mark. Just place it, adjust it, and keep moving. The aluminum body is built for real job site chaos. Sun, rain, snow, this thing stays unbothered. The rubber handle grips nicely, even with wet hands. Hot, cold, it still feels like a good idea. It's tough, comfortable, and ready to roll in. Like a stud, but actually useful and dependable. So if framing time is eating your lunch, grab the Frame Crafter and make the wall behave. Milescraft, always the better idea. Number 2. Tired of cramped workspaces slowing every project down? Dragging heavy benches outside wastes time and energy. Balancing boards on makeshift supports feels unsafe and frustrating. Small jobs still need a sturdy, dependable surface. That's where the Worx Pegasus changes everything. It folds open quickly wherever work needs to happen. At only £30, it carries easily under your arm. No more struggling with bulky shop furniture. Use it as a workbench for cutting and painting, or switch instantly into a strong sawhorse. 2-in-1 design keeps up with different project demands. It supports up to 300 pounds as a work table. As a sawhorse, it handles an impressive 1,000 pounds. Heavy boards, bikes, or equipment stay steady and secure. Included quick clamps grip projects with serious holding power. Clamp dogs keep round or awkward pieces firmly positioned. That means cleaner cuts and smoother work every time. The built-in measuring guide saves time on every task. No more searching for rulers or tape measures. Its 31 by 25-inch surface gives room to work. The 32-inch height feels comfortable for most projects. Need more space? Connect another compatible Worx table. The same height and connectors make expansion effortless. Made with durable ABS plastic and steel support. It stays tough through garage, backyard, and job site use. When finished, it folds compact for easy storage. That means less clutter and more usable space. For DIYers and woodworkers, it brings real flexibility. For homeowners, it makes repairs feel organized and easier. For every project, it delivers stability, portability, and confidence. The Worx Pegasus helps you work smarter, not harder. Number 3. Need stronger joints and cleaner cuts in every project. Meet the Bosch GFF 18V086N cordless biscuit joiner. Built for woodworkers who demand precision, speed, and control. From cabinetry to furniture making, it upgrades every joint. The brushless motor delivers smooth, powerful performance in hardwoods. That means less strain, longer runtime, and consistent cutting. Plunge into the wood with confidence and accuracy. Tool-free depth adjustment reaches up to 0.87 inches. Perfect for creating strong, secure joints fast. Set your biscuit size easily with the depth knob. Choose #0, #Home0, or #20 for project flexibility. The adjustable fence tilts from 0 to 90 degrees. 5 positive detents simplify repeatable angle settings. That versatility helps on cabinets, panels, and angled joins. Cleaner work starts with the integrated dust port. Use the included dust bag or Bosch extractors. Less debris means better visibility and a cleaner workspace. Robust metal angle guides add durability job after job. The thin application plate handles narrow workpieces with ease. Its slim grip design improves comfort during long sessions. The large auxiliary handle gives you better tool control. That balance helps you cut precisely, even under pressure. Cordless freedom keeps your workflow moving anywhere. AmpShare compatibility simplifies battery sharing across compatible tools. Less downtime, fewer battery changes, more productivity on site. This is professional joinery made simpler and more efficient. Stronger connections, cleaner cuts, and a more polished finish. For serious cabinetry and furniture work, this tool delivers. Bosch backs it with a 5-year limited warranty. Upgrade your woodworking experience with trusted Bosch performance. Number 4. Need to strip bark fast? This tool changes everything. 3 reasons woodworkers keep reaching for it. First, it removes bark and rough wood incredibly quickly. That means less scraping, less fatigue, and more progress. Second, the curved blade glides along logs with control. It fits different diameters, so every pull feels smoother. You work smarter on posts, firewood, and fresh timber. Third, the full-tang steel build means serious durability. No flimsy handle worries, no wobble, just steady confidence. The non-slip grip keeps your hands planted and secure. That matters when you're working long hours outdoors. Hand-forged steel gives you toughness, built for real jobs. A polished beveled edge stays sharp and easy to hone, so every pass cuts cleanly, without fighting the grain. This is made for timber framers who value speed. It's also perfect for carvers chasing cleaner wood surfaces. Furniture makers will love the efficient material removal. Even rough logs become usable faster with less hassle. You get a tool that works hard and lasts. And that kind of reliability saves time every day. If bark removal slows your workflow, this fixes it. If you want cleaner logs, this delivers that too. If you need a dependable hand tool, look here. The curved design makes peeling feel easier and more natural. The steel construction handles demanding workshop and outdoor use. Plus, the 100-day warranty adds extra peace of mind. That means you can try it with confidence. So why keep wrestling with bark by hand? Get the Konload draw knife and speed up every job. Click now. Upgrade your toolkit and start working cleaner. Number 5. Messy tools slow every carpentry job down. Preciva Carpenter Square Set changes that instantly. Everything you need, organized on your belt. Rafter square, tape measure, and holder in one. Perfect for woodworking, layout, and daily repairs. Grab it fast, work faster, stay focused. The belt-mounted organizer keeps tools secure. No more digging through bulky tool bags. No more lost rulers or scattered accessories. The snap-on design clips on quickly. Attach it to your belt, pocket, or bag. Remove it just as easily when finished. The 7-inch triangle ruler delivers precision. Embedded scales stay clear and durable. No peeling marks, no fading, no confusion. Use the angle stopper for consistent positioning. Mark 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and more. Drilling gauges and hex nut holes add versatility. Measure, mark, align, and cut with confidence. The included 5-meter tape measure speeds workflow. Dual scale measuring supports different project needs. One-handed operation makes quick checks effortless. Compact, wide, and thick for easy carrying. Ideal for outdoor work and home projects. Lightweight design reduces burden during long jobs. The storage body even holds pens neatly. Reinforced construction improves durability on the job. A smarter setup for professionals and DIYers. Upgrade your layout accuracy and job efficiency. Choose Preciva and make every measurement count. Number 6. When your table saw says compact, but your boards disagree. And suddenly the wood starts auditioning for a disaster movie. Cutting straight? More like negotiating with a wobbly spaghetti monster. Your rip fence is working overtime, and still losing. Then I found my secret weapon, Woodpeckers ARF BSCS, a 36-inch auxiliary rip fence built for compact machines. Job site saws, band saws, router tables, yes, all of them. So basically, the little saw finally got big saw energy. It's 3:1, 2 inches tall for serious workpiece control. That means less wobble, more confidence, fewer regret faces. Built-in track slots? Oh, it came prepared. Add featherboards, stops, jigs, turn the whole setup tactical. There's a 7-inch material support on each side. In-feed support, out-feed support. Wood gets escorted like royalty. Long boards stop acting like they pay rent here. And yes, it installs in seconds. No surgery, no mods, no, why is this bolt extra? Just use standard track clamps, and you're off. 2 sliding clamping blocks lock it down solidly. Because close enough is not a woodworking personality. Fence and clamping blocks are exactly 2 inches thick. Precision's so clean, it looks like it enjoys measurement charts. Compact, sturdy, and made in the USA. Built in Strongsville, Ohio, then carefully inspected, which explains the "this is suspiciously well-made" feeling. Job site saws, upgraded, bandsaw ripping, stabilized, big sheet, long board, awkward cut. Not today. Woodpeckers ARF BSCS, the fence that brings order. Your saw was chaotic. Now it has a manager. Number 7. Need perfect wood plugs. This Snappy set makes them fast. 3 sizes cover most repair jobs. 1/4, 3/8, 1/2. So you're ready for furniture fixes, cabinets, and custom builds. First reason, chamfered tips start smoothly, saving time instantly. No frustrating wandering, no ugly starts, just clean cutting. That means better plugs, better results, and fewer mistakes. Second reason, hardened steel stays sharp through repeated use. You get crisp cuts and long-lasting performance every time. This is the kind of tool that earns a permanent spot. Third reason, tight-fit plugs hide screws without glue. Match the wood grain for a seamless, professional finish. Or go contrasting for a stylish, decorative touch. Either way, your project looks cleaner and more intentional. Pair it with your Snappy quick-change chuck in the drill press. That setup keeps work moving smoothly and efficiently. Less hassle, more control, and faster turnaround. Perfect for repair pros, woodworkers, and serious DIYers alike. It also works great for hobby projects and home upgrades. Made in the USA, with snappy quality you can trust. Built for clean cuts and dependable everyday workshop use. If you want hidden screws done right, this is it. If you want matching plugs fast, this set delivers. And if you want lasting sharpness, you're covered. 1 set, 3 cutters, countless clean woodworking results. Grab it now and upgrade your repair game today. Your next project deserves a cleaner, sharper finish. Save time, hide fasteners, and impress with the result. Tap the link, get your set, and start cutting smarter. Make every screw disappear with confidence. Snappy makes plug cutting simple, quick, and professional. Number 8. Tired of fighting stubborn nails by hand? Meet Workpro's Pneumatic Nail Remover for faster, cleaner work. Reason 1. It removes 9 to 16 gauge nails easily. That means 1 to 4 inch nails, handled fast. The long 6mm nose reaches deep into tight spaces. Perfect for pallets, decks, boxes, repairs, and renovation jobs. No more pounding, twisting, or damaging good wood. Reason 2. Powerful air-driven impact saves serious time. Connected to 60 to 100 pounds per square inches air pressure. Then let the hardened nose do the hard work. Bent nails? Use the nose guide to straighten them first. You get quick removal with less effort and frustration. Reason 3. Built for comfort, control, and durability. The die-cast aluminum body feels light but tough. The non-slip ergonomic handle helps reduce hand fatigue. Work longer with better grip and steadier control. The 360-degree swivel exhaust keeps airflow where you want. The covered air inlet helps block dust and dirt. That means cleaner operation and better tool protection. Whether you're a pro or weekend DIYer, it fits. Use it for pallet teardown, recycling, and wood recovery. Use it for boxes, floorboards, decks, And workshop repairs. It removes nails while helping keep the wood reusable. Less damage, less effort, more finished projects. If you value speed, strength, and comfort, listen up. This nail remover brings all three in one compact tool. Grab the Work Pro Pneumatic Nail Remover today. Make nail removal faster, easier, and far less tiring. Tap the link, check the details, and upgrade your workflow. Get yours now and start pulling nails the smart way. Number 9. Ever wrestled a board and felt it drift mid-cut? I did, and my table saw cuts kept turning sketchy. The stock would wander, and kickback fears were real. Every rip felt like a battle against the fence. One bad shift, and the whole cut went sideways. Honestly, I was wasting time fixing misaligned lumber. Then I stumbled on this Powertec roller stock guide. It popped up while I was searching for safer cuts. Right away, the 5-degree angled rollers caught my attention. That tilt helps press stock firmly against the fence. It felt like an extra hand in the shop. The one-way bearing design sounded even smarter. Forward motion stays smooth, but backsliding gets controlled. That means less wandering, less stress, and way more confidence. I mounted it using the included T-bolts and knobs. Setup was fast on my fence with T-slots. Height adjustment made it easy to match wood thickness. Now thin stock and thicker boards both feed cleanly. The difference was instant on my first test cut. The board stayed locked in, smooth, stable, and aligned. No more fighting the material every few inches. No more that scary drift that ruins a perfect rip. Just cleaner cuts and a safer, calmer workflow. It works on table saws, router tables, and more. That versatility makes it a serious shop upgrade. If your stock keeps slipping, why keep risking kickback? Why fight your cuts when one upgrade fixes it? This is the kind of tool you feel immediately. Safer, straighter, faster, everything your shop has been missing. Grab the Powertec Roller Stock Guide before your next cut. Number 10. Tired of sketchy push sticks and shaky table saw control? Meet the Bosch Push Pro PP1, built for safer, smoother cuts. Reason 1. EVA tips grip wood better than plastic. That means less vibration, steadier feed, and cleaner results. You feel the board move with control, not chatter. Reason 2. It protects your work and your blades. Unlike plastic, EVA won't mar softwoods or dent surfaces. It also reduces harsh blade contact and expensive cutter damage. Replaceable tips keep the push stick working like new. Reason 3. Longer reach means better distance from danger. The 17. 5-inch design helps keep your hands farther away. That extra length adds confidence during every push. The ergonomic modular handle lets you customize your grip, built for comfort, control, and real workshop flexibility. Firm EVA material stays reliable without shedding or bleeding color. No messy absorption, no weak spots, just dependable performance. If the tip contacts a blade, it cuts through cleanly. That makes it a smarter safety choice for busy shops. It even stays friendly with SawStop compatible workflows, so you get protection without sacrificing precision or speed. From beginners to pros, this tool fits everyday woodworking. Table saw jobs feel calmer when your control improves. You work smarter, safer, and with more confidence. If you want better feed control, this is it. If you want cleaner cuts, this is it too. If you want a safer reach, this is the upgrade. Simple tool, serious difference, real workshop peace of mind. Grab the Push Pro PP1 and level up your setup. Tap to order now before your next table saw session. Upgrade your safety, improve your cuts, and push with confidence. Those were our picks for 10 incredible hidden woodworking tools that deserve a spot in any serious workshop. Whether you're looking to improve precision, speed up your workflow, or discover innovative tools that most woodworkers overlook, each product on this list offers practical value for your next project. If you found a new favorite tool today, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow makers. We'll be back with more hidden tools, workshop upgrades, and must-have gear to help you build smarter and create with confidence.